One thing I want to bring up for people that might have large catalogs is a lot of times when we get approached, they're like, wow, to create A+ for our entire catalog would be a big expense, a big investment. And so a lot of times what we'll do is we'll divide their catalog by categories. You know, maybe it's kitchen, maybe it's bath, maybe it's bedroom as an example, and create A+ that kind of focuses around the bathroom, around the kitchen. So it's like it's product based, but it's category based. So I know that's not the exact question, but thinking about it in like, if we did something about the brand, it would be because they're trying to cover a lot of space with something. And we're like, what is a generic thing that we can do to cover a lot of their listings and make it look good? If your brand specifically has a better story than your product, I think there can be a time when you're leaning into what that brand story is. But that's also what we're talking about, brand story, right? So think of it as like, you know, maybe you're made in USA or you're made in Vietnam and you're selling Vietnamese snacks. That is a part of your brand story that you can, what's the word I'm looking for? Implement into your PDP and your A+, where it's part of the product story, but it's not individually like we're just talking about Marknology and then we're talking about products or something like that. So very much like Danielle said, you're weaving it in, start with it, bring it back maybe at the end.
Marknology.